Welcome to our poster. In January 2023, two New York lawyers were sanctioned for citing fictitious cases in their legal brief. The lawyer had used ChatGPT, which fabricated judicial opinions and legal citation. They believed that the information they had obtained from ChatGPT was factual, and similar cases were reported in different countries. This incident shows that laypersons, including professionals, tend to trust ChatGPT-generated information. They seem to equate it to a research tool such as Google Search and Wikipedia without recognizing it as a product of generative AI that creates text without regard for factual accuracy. In this study, we'd like to explore why users trust each information source, such as Google, Wikipedia, and ChatGPT, and among these resources, which source users trust more than others. So we developed our research protocol and collected the data from 14 participants via focus group and interview via Zoom. We found interesting insight, possible mediators between the source and the trust, and are preparing for the experiment for the generability of the study. So main key takeaway. First, trust toward the different information source is based on different reasons. Second, Google was the first source users turned to when searching for information. Third, Google and Wikipedia was more trustworthy than ChatGPT. Here we have more details from participants' responses. In Google, it was mentioned that gatekeeping practices and the large volume of search results help building trust. Additionally, the transparency marker in search outputs, such as sponsored ads, contribute to trust. In Wikipedia, editability and detailed referencing of sources contribute to trust. Regarding ChatGPT, one participant commented, "ChatGPT already knows what I'm talking about and connects my two questions." And others, "When I use ChatGPT, it goes straight to the answer, which is something that I really like." In sum, high speed in generating outputs, directness of responses, contingency of interaction, and human-like conversational ability help users form trust. Also, Google was the primary information source they visited when searching for information, while users utilize ChatGPT for specific use cases, such as improving writing or referring to certain formats like resumes. Lastly, users tended to trust Google or Wikipedia more than ChatGPT, with the most common reason being the feature revealing referenced information. Here we have the discussion and implications. First, referencing information is important in generative AI output, and interactivity and conversationality contribute to the trust. Perceived information completeness, such as organized format, help evaluation of the information, and familiarity of the platform help them to evaluate the information more positively, and it might lead to unwarranted trust. So here we have the implication for the designer. Consider incorporating information source into generative AI output, and well-designed interactivity will assist users in building trust. The format of the output needs to be considered, and designer need to carefully implement appropriate intervention to prevent unwarranted trust in the information.